A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Checking your bill on the Bouygues Telecom app is straightforward once you know where to look. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Bouygues Telecom app. Launch the Bouygues Telecom app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or my bill section in the main menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. View your bill details. In the billing section, you will see a summary of your current bill. Tap on it to view detailed information, including usage and charges. Step 5. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications regarding your bill, such as payment due dates or changes in your plan. This can help you avoid surprises. Sometimes, the app may not show the latest bill if there are connectivity issues, so make sure your internet is stable. I hope this guide helps you easily check your bill on the Bouygues Telecom app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.